Hello friends, in today's video we will see the workbook solution of Standard 8 Social Science Chapter 3 Nationalism in India. If you are new to this channel, subscribe to the channel now and click on the bell button next to it so that when I upload a new video you will be receive a notification. Let's start. Question number 1. Choose the correct alternative. Miss MCQ. First, where did the concept of modern nationalism originate from Europe? Second, through which revolution did India get the inspiration for feelings of liberty, equality and fraternity, means brotherhood? So B, through the French and the Russian Revolution. Third, which Western archaeologist found the remain of Indian culture depicting India's rich heritage? D. Alexander Cunningham. Fourth, due to the efforts of which retired English officer was the Indian National Congress established? C. A.O. Hume. Who was the president of the first meeting of the Indian National Congress? A. Vyomeshwar Chandra Banerjee. In the beginning, blank was not one of the demands put down by the Indian National Congress in front of the British government. C. Appointing Hindi judges in courts. 7. Which song written by Bankim Chandra became the slogan of the Bang Bang movement? B. Vande Mataram. 8. As what was Bang Bang Day observed? A. Day of mourning. 9. When did Lord Curzon partition Bengal? C. In 1905 CE. 10. Who started the Vishwa Bharati Vidyalaya in Shanti Niketan in 1901 CE? D. Rabindranath Tagore. 11 number. Who was the following was not a leader of the moderates? So B. Lokmanya Tilak. Who was the main leader of the extremist movement? Jahalwadi. Or who was a prominent leader of the extremist? B. Lokmanya Tilak. 13. Who among the following was not an extremist leader? A. Gopal Krishna Gokhale. 14. Who from the following became popular as Shere Punjab? Lala Lajpat Rai. B. 15. Who did due to being badly beaten up in the Lathi charge while protesting against the Simon Commission? A. Lala Lajpat Rai. 16. Who established the Home Rule movement? तो उसमें आएगा D. बाल गंगाधर तिलक. Where was Subhash Chandra Bose born? तो A. In Cuttack. Who became the president of the Haripura session of Congress in 1938 CE and of the Tripura session of Congress in 1939 CE? So D. Subhash Chandra Bose. Which political party did Subhash Chandra Bose form? So B. Forward Bloc. 20. Who formed the Azad Hind Fauj? So C. Captain Mohan Singh. 21. Who took on the leadership of Azad Hind Fauj in 1943 CE? So A. Subhash Chandra Bose. 22. By which name was Subhash Babu known after he became the chief of the Azad Hind Fauj? So B. Netaji. 23. Who said you give me blood, I will give you freedom? So A. Subhash Chandra Bose. 24. On which country was the nuclear bomb dropped during the Second World War? So C. On Japan. 25. What vow did Subhash Chandra Bose take? So A. I shall never enter subjected India. Question 2. Fill in the blanks. 1. A feeling of pride and belonging for one's nation is known as nationalism. The concept of modern nationalism was first seen in Europe. Third, Indian archaeological expert Rai Bahadur Daya Ram Sahni discovered many remains depicting the pride of Indian heritage. Fourth, the Indian National Congress was established in the year 1885 CE. Fifth, it was due to the efforts of retired British officer A.O. Hume that the Indian National Congress was established. Sixth, the first conference of the Indian National Congress was held in Mumbai. 7. Vyomeshwar Chandra Banerjee was the president of the first session of the Indian National Congress. 8. About 72 members were present at the first session of the Indian National Congress. 9. The initial activities of the Indian National Congress were mainly constitutional. 10. Viceroy Lord Curzon adopted the divide and rule policy. 11. Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay was the composer of the song Vande Mataram. 12. The day of Bengal partition was observed as day of mourning. 13. The day of Bengal partition was declared the day of unity on the suggestion of Rabindranath Tagore. 14. Bal Gangadhar Tilak started community celebration of Ganesh Chaturthi and Shivaji Jayanti. 15. Lala Lajpat Rai was famous as Sher-e Punjab or Punjab Kesari. 16. Lala Lajpat Rai died due to being beaten up during a lathi charge. 17. Lala Lajpat Rai said the blow struck at me will be the last nail in the coffin of British rule in India. 18. The Muslim League was established in 1906 CE in Dhaka. 19. In April 1916, Bal Gangadhar Tilak established the Indian Home Rule League. 20. During the Home Rule movement, Bal Gangadhar Tilak was given the honorary title of Lokmanya. 21. The agreement that was made between the Congress and the Muslim League in 1916 CE at the joint session of both parties came to be known as the Lucknow. Subhash Chandra Bose was appointed as the president of the Haripura session of Congress in 1938 CE. 23. Subhash Chandra Bose formed a new political party named Forward Bloc in May 1939. 24. Subhash Chandra Bose became the chief of the Azad Hind Fauj in 1943 CE. 25. In October 1943, Subhash Chandra Bose established a provisional government of Free India in Singapore. Question 3. Right or wrong? Bengal was the largest state of British India. So, true. Second, Muslim protested aggressively against the partition of Bengal. Wrong. Third, Surendranath Banerjee was the leader of the moderates. Right. Fourth, Muslim had adopted the divide and rule policy. So, right. Fifth, Subhash Chandra Bose was arrested 11 times as a political prisoner. Right. 6. Captain Mohan Singh was the supreme head of the Indian Army. So, false. 7. Netaji gave the slogan Jai Hind to the people of India. So, right. Match the column. Rabindranath Tagore. So, Shanti Niketan. 5th. Lokmanya Tilak. So, 2nd. Kesari. Lala Lajpat Rai. So, 4th. Sher-e Punjab. Bipin Chandra Pal. तो फर्स्ट न्यू इंडिया. एनी बेसेंट तो थर्ड द कॉमनवेल्थ. सेक्शन ए सेक्शन बी. वेस्टर्न आर्कियोलॉजिस्ट तो फिफ्थ एलेक्जेंडर कनिंगहाम. रिटायर्ड ब्रिटिश ऑफिसर सेकंड तो थर्ड सर एलन ऑक्टिवियन ह्यूम. थर्ड फर्स्ट प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ इंडियन नेशनल कांग्रेस तो फर्स्ट व्योमेश चंद्र बैनर्जी. फोर्थ पर्सन हु पार्टीशन बंगाल तो 6 लॉर्ड कर्जन. फिफ्थ कंपोजर ऑफ द सॉन्ग वंदे मातरम तो सेकंड बंकिम चंद्र चट्टोपाध्याय. क्वेश्चन 5. करेक्टली मैच इवेंट्स एंड देयर ईयर्स आर गिवन बिलो. ड्रॉ अ टाइमलाइन एंड शो दिस इवेंट्स ऑन इट. स्केल 1 centimeter is equal to 5 years. Okay. Section A, Section B. 1905 C, 1960 C, 1921 C, 1928 C. Bengal was partitioned. Lucknow Pact was drawn. Subhash Chandra Bose passed the ICS exam. Simon Commission to India. Okay. तो ड्रॉ टाइम लाइन इन अ गिवन स्पेस. तो आप यहाँ पर देख सकते हो कि टोटल 5 की गैप है. 1905 उसके बाद 5 लाइन, उसके बाद 1910 उसके बाद 5 लाइन, उसके बाद 1915 मतलब 1910 के बाद 1911 1912 1913 1914 1915. ओके. तो इस हिसाब से यहाँ पर ड्रॉ किया है, वो ध्यान से देख लेना. क्वेश्चन नंबर 6. आइडेंटिफाई मी एंड राइट माई नेम. फर्स्ट इंडियन नेशनल कांग्रेस वॉज फॉर्म ड्यू टू माई एफर्ट तो A.O. ह्यूम. सेकंड आई अडॉप्टेड द पॉलिसी ऑफ डिवाइड एंड रूल इन इंडिया तो लॉर्ड कर्जन. थर्ड द नॉवेल आनंद मठ वॉज रिटन बाय मी तो बंकिम चंद्र चट्टोपाध्याय. फोर्थ आई वॉज द फर्स्ट प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ द इंडियन नेशनल कांग्रेस तो व्योमेश चंद्र बैनर्जी. फिफ्थ स्वराज इज माई बर्थ राइट एंड आई शैल हैव इट तो बाल गंगाधर तिलक. क्वेश्चन नंबर 7. आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चन इन 1 or 2 सेंटेंस. फर्स्ट डिफाइन नेशनलिज्म. तो nationalism is a feeling of pride and belonging towards one's nation. It is also the feeling of willingness to sacrifice everything one has for the nation if the need arises. Second, for which principles did Indians get inspiration from the French Revolution? So Indians got inspiration for principles of liberty, equality and fraternity from the French Revolution. Question number 3. Who found the remains of Indian culture depicting India's rich heritage? So ancient archaeologist Alexander Cunningham and his assistants, as well as the Indian archaeologist Rai Bahadur Dayaram Shahani, Madhav Swarup Vats and Rakhal Das. Question number 4. Due to whose efforts and when was the Indian National Congress established? It was with the efforts of Sir Alan Octavian Hume, a retired British officer, that the Indian National Congress was established in December 1885. Question number 5. Where was the first session of the Indian National Congress held? Who was its president? The first session of the Indian National Congress was held on 28 December 1885 in Gokuldas Tejpal Sanskrit School in Mumbai. Vyomesh Chandra Banerjee was its president. Question number 6. Who partitioned Bengal when? So Lord Curzon adopted the divide and rule policy and partitioned Bengal in 1905. 7. Why did Lord Curzon want to divide Bengal? The main intention for dividing Bengal was that Viceroy Lord Curzon wanted to promote communal differences among the Hindus and Muslims by separating Muslim-dominated East Bengal and to weaken the monument of national political awakening among the people of India. Question number 8. Which song became the slogan during the Bang Bang movement? So the song Vande Mataram from the novel Anand Math, written by Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay, became the popular slogan during the Bang Bang movement. Question number 9. As what was the Bang Bang day observed? So the day of the partition of Bengal was observed as a sad day. The day was also observed as a day of unity as per Rabindranath Tagore's suggestion. 10 number. On whose suggestion was the day of Bengal partition celebrated as a day of unity? As per suggestion of poet laureate Rabindranath Tagore, the day was observed as the day of unity. 11 number. Which were the main intentions of Bang Bang movement? To trade and use Indian Swadeshi goods only, to boycott imported British goods and to acquire national education and boycott English education. Question number 12. Which slogan did Lokmanya Tilak give to Indians? Lokmanya Tilak gave the following slogan to the Indian people: Swaraj is my birthright and I shall have it. 13 number. What did Lala Lajpat Rai say when he was being beaten up during the Lathi charge? When he was being beaten by sticks by police, Lala Lajpat Rai quoted, "The government that attacked its own innocent subject has no claim to be called a civilized government. Such a government cannot survive for a long time." 14 number. For which festivals did Lokmanya Tilak start community celebration? Lokmanya Tilak started community celebration of the festival of Ganesh Chaturthi and Shivaji Jayanti. 15 number. Where and when was the Muslim League established? The Muslim League was established in 1906 CE in Dhaka. 16. Who started the Home Rule movement when? Bal Gangadhar Tilak and Madam Annie Besant started the Home Rule movement in 1916 CE. 17 number. Which slogan did Subhash Chandra Bose give? Subhash Chandra Bose gave the slogans Chalo Dilli and Jai Hind to the Azad Hind Fauj and the nation respectively. 18 number. Which pact is considered important in the history of India's freedom struggle? So the Lucknow Pact is considered important in the history of India's freedom struggle. 19 number. Of which Congress session did Subhash Chandra Bose become president? So Subhash Chandra Bose became the president of the Congress Haripura session in 1938 CE and of the Tripura session in 1939 CE. 20 number. Which new political party did Subhash Chandra Bose set up when? Subhash Chandra Bose formed a new political party named Forward Bloc in May 1939. 21. How was the Azad Hind Fauj formed? Captain Mohan Singh, an Indian soldier of the British Army, formed the Azad Hind Fauj in 1942 CE with Indian soldiers who had surrendered to Japan as prisoner of war during the Second World War. 22. Which vow did Subhash Chandra Bose take? Subhash Chandra Bose had taken a vow that he will not enter subjected India. 23. When and how did Subhash Chandra Bose die? According to the reports published by the Japanese government, Subhash Chandra Bose plane that took off from Taipei airport in Formosa on 18th August 1945 crashed and Subhash Chandra Bose being seriously burned. Question number 8. Write a short note. First, Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Bal Gangadhar Tilak, popularly known as Lokmanya Tilak, was a prominent leader of the extremist movement. He was Bal of the triplet group Lal Bal Pal. He gave the slogan Swaraj is my birthright and I shall have it. He started community celebration of Ganesh Chaturthi and Shivaji Jayanti. Second, Lala Lajpat Rai. Lala Lajpat Rai, 1856-1928. He became popularly known as Punjab Kesari or Shere Punjab. He was badly beaten up during the Lathi charge while protesting against the Simon Commission. This became the cause of his death. He was Lal of the trio known as Lal Bal Pal and was an extremist leader. Third number, Subhash Chandra Bose. Subhash Chandra Bose was born on 23rd January 1897 in Cuttack, Odisha. To Prabhavati and Janakinath Bose, he was very intelligent. He stood fourth in the ICS exam in London in 1920. He returned to India and joined the Indian National Congress. He formed a new political party named Forward Bloc. Question number 9. Give historical reason. First, Lord Curzon partitioned Bengal in 1905 CE. So the growing unity and integrity among Indians became a concern for the British. The British withdrew their support and to further weaken Indian unity, Viceroy Lord Curzon adopted the divide and rule policy and partitioned Bengal in 1905. Bengal was the largest province of British India and so its administration was difficult. So Viceroy Curzon partitioned Bengal. 2. National schools were set up in Bengal. National education was the third important objective of the Bang revolution. Since many students participated in the protest against the Bang movement, punitive action such as expelling them from schools and colleges were levied by the British government. So 25 national secondary school and 300 national primary schools were started in Bengal in 1907. Rabindranath Tagore had started the Vishwa Bharati school at Shanti Niketan in 1901 CE. Third number, the Home Rule movement was started in 1916 CE. Between 1960 and 1918, when the First World War had just ended, Bal Gangadhar Tilak and Madam Annie Besant, along with prominent Indians like Joseph Baptiste, Muhammad Ali Jinnah, G.K. Kharpade, Sir S. Subramaniam Iyer, organized a national alliance of League in India to demand home rule within the British Empire for all in India. ओके, इसी के साथ हमारा ये नेशनलिज्म ऑफ इंडिया वाला चैप्टर ख़त्म हुआ. नेक्स्ट वीडियो में मिलेंगे.